Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use simulator on messages on iPhone. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are on the iOS 18. To check it, you have to go to settings, then search the general and tap onto it, then tap on the software update option. And if you see an update is available, just update your phone to the latest version. That's it. Now let's move forward to the next step. So you have to find your messages app and then tap onto it and then tap onto new messages, choose your preferred contact, then type your messages here, and now you have to tap on this plus icon at this left corner, and here you can see the send letter option. So you just have to tap onto send letter and you have to schedule your message, and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data, because if it won't be available on offline. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.